Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are again here gonna unbox another amazing projector. Thanks to them again for sending this other amazing new projector. This one is the Aura V2. They also sent a stand with it, so I'm quite excited to check that out also. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. So first thing first, I think we will open the projector itself. Yes. One very interesting fact about this projector or this brand, which is the LUMOS, they are the first Singaporean projector brand with the official certification from the YouTube and the Netflix. So we will talk about that also in a bit. So let's unbox this. Alright, first thing first, we have the HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI. Then we have the remote control. Nice. Oh wow, a very nice remote. The next thing we have the power cord. Whoa. And we got our projector here. There we go. Okay, and then we have the user manual for you guys also. Alright, so here we got the projector. Let's take this out. Oh wow, I did not expect the color to be is it silver? Yes. Wow, it's not your normal white projector. Very nice, and it's very light as well at the same time. Of course, they have some camera in the front. At the bottom, very simple, straightforward. We have a 3D stereo surround sound. Nowadays the projectors, if you remember our earlier videos also, wow, the sound quality of the projectors are very good nowadays. Okay, so on the sides we have the all the ventilation, the speakers and all that. And at the back we have different ports which we will be talking about as well. Okay, so in the user manual, quite straightforward, they talk about all the things which we will be talking about as well. Even they will give a lot of details on the remote itself, and then the projector connection introduction. They also mentioned about how you can connect with your headphones, your speakers, and a lot of other things as well. And the wireless mirroring is super cool, such as Mirrorcast, so we will be testing that out as well. Oh, sorry guys, I realized that I dropped the cap. Okay, so there was a cap on it. Okay, like that. Yeah, so you can protect your lens as well. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so let's turn this on. We have set up one camera for you guys to look there as well. Oh, if you see the stars, right, this is also the from the LUMOS star projection thing. Thank you so much. We use it in every video. So let's turn this on. Wow, oh, this one is bright. I'll move this screw under it so it can go higher. Okay, so then we will move over very carefully. We will move our stand as well. Okay, I think here it looks good to me. Then we will adjust the keystones. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is where the manual keystone correction. So let's set up. I can adjust it. Oh, wow. Okay, now I know what they mean. Wow, it was really big. I'll bring it there and make it a little bit straight here and make it straight there. Alright, so now this is where the manual keystone thing works, so you can adjust it accordingly. I think I'm quite okay with the current setup. Everything good, focus looks good. Let's go to the back, and then we do the next step. User protocol, blah blah blah, all this information and all that. So let's say okay, and then we will connect to our Wi-Fi. Okay, so our Wi-Fi has been connected. So shall we set up the Netflix? Of course, yes. Okay guys, so first of all, let's say in the settings, so they have different settings. For the image mode, these are fast settings you can check on. Every mode have a different kind of a setting area. Please note that we also have a studio lights on, so even that, this looks very decent color. And then if you go to the menu again, you have the sound mode also. You can choose from music, sports, vivid, cinema, all these kind of news, movies, vivid, standard, everything. Auto keystone, we have talked about already, that it can automatically adjust. If you put the straight in front of the thing, it will nicely do. And then there is an autofocus button. You can just press that and it will automatically focus everything for you. And look at that, how it's doing it. So looks super crisp, very nice. So in terms of the operating system, which I'm seeing at this moment is like, you guys can see, like, is how responsive is this? You see, there is not even a minor lag on the responsiveness of the whole thing. It's not hanging or anything. So that's a good one. So these settings are actually more detailed settings. You can go what are the input sources you have, your picture, display, system, general and privacy, everything you can check here. So that's all. And then you can actually have the app, my app store. You can see what apps do you have, and then you can also install more apps as well at the same time. So for example, let's go to the YouTube. And let's play. Wow. Okay, that was good.
Welcome back to Among Us. Today we are playing.
Sound is quite good. Sound is quite good. And then if I... Do you see the responsiveness, how fast it goes? Very responsive. I love it. I love it. In terms of the operating system, how fast it is. So let's see and switch it to Netflix from here. So if I press the Netflix button here, it suddenly goes into the Netflix. Wow. Very, very good. One thing I really want to talk about is remote, is how responsive this remote is, and when you use it, it feels so good and is super fast. So hats off to them for this, doing a very good job with the remote. Some of the buttons we have the focus, manual focus buttons. There's your source button, your power button, and regular like plus minus for the volume, and setting button also, and home button. But then on the bottom, this is very good because they have provided the Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime button, because they are certified, so they can do that. So let's talk about all these amazing features and specifications, and then we see what this device has to offer.
The great thing about LUMOS AURO V2 is how easy it is to set up. You can literally place it anywhere, and it uses its fully automatic screen correction system to orient the screen according to the surface you are projecting on. This system uses AI sensors to perform operations like automatic corrections, autofocus, and even obstacle avoidance to help you get the most optimum display. It has a shot throw ratio of 1.36 by 1, meaning you can get a 50-inch screen by placing the projector only 1.5 meters away. Speaking of screen sizes, this projector can go up to an insane 200 inches, which is way bigger than I ever had expected for a projector. You would have to place your projector 6 meters away to get this massive size. The LUMOS AURO V2 has a high pixel native resolution of 1920 by 1080p. High pixel means that the visuals are crystal clear and more crisp than normal 1080p, which helps to maintain clarity when you increase the screen size. Having said that, it does support 4K resolution as well. The brightness can go up to a massive 6000 lumens. It can display more vivid color that are not grainy or washed out. And of course, the audio is just as good as the video. The LUMOS AURO V2 has two 4 ohms 5 watt inbuilt Dolby Audio dual speakers. This system produces rich, strong bass and immersive sound. Let's talk about the ports. This projector has one HDMI port, 2 USB 1 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and of course a power port. The things you can do with this projector are pretty cool. To start off, it has inbuilt phone mirroring. This lets you seamlessly project your phone to the big screen with minimal lag. So if you ever want to play Mobile Legends on this huge screen, this is the best way to do it. Finally, the LUMOS AURO V2 is the first Singaporean projector to have officially certified Netflix and YouTube. This means that you won't get issues like login errors, update issues, glitches, low resolution cap, etc, etc. You can watch your favorite movies and shows with 100% smoothness with this amazing projector. With all that said and done, usually projectors like this would be around 1000 to 2000 price range. However, the LUMOS AURO V2 is placed at an insanely affordable price of 498 Sing dollar only, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty. Because of all these, LUMOS have quickly become a trusted brand with over 2000 plus of the 5-star review from the local fan base alone. Okay, so I am even more excited now to open the stand because I really wanted a projector stand for our things. So let's open this. So they call it the LUMOS RIZE. Alright, so this tripod is already look very solid and steady, so it's gonna be quite cool, you know. I believe this one goes here. Yeah, this is for your plate, later we will take out. Okay, so this one is not going anywhere. Very solid. And oh wow, it can go so high. Alright. Very, very cool. So let's put this aside. Then let's open the plate as well at the same time. Okay, so there is a, if I'm not wrong, this should be the one, the strap to hold the projector up. And there are some screws and the plate itself. Alright. Okay, quite straightforward. So this plate will go on the top of that. Okay. Alright, just like that. And you can add your screws into it. So we will do that in a while and show you guys also. So let's turn. So So let's turn on the projector and put it on the test. Okay guys, so we have decided to put our projector in this room and then we're going to install this. We're going to put it here, align all the holes, and I pretty believe it goes from top to bottom like that. Alright, so this one is all good and I will be putting the projector this direction. So I think it's very steady, very solid. I hope guys I have covered most of the amazing features of this projector, and if you guys want to know more about it, you can actually check the link in the description, and if there are any discount codes available, I'll be dropping them in the description as well. And if you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply all of you. And if you guys have enjoyed this video and it's helpful for you guys to make your future purchase, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for all the crazy upcoming tech coming your way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.